The top story we are following here on India Today, coming in from the state of West Bengal. It's the NCW team which has reached Murshidabad. High drama on the streets in Murshidabad. Women narrate their ordeal to the NCW team. The NCW chief has spoken with the rights affected women. Victims are now sitting out and protesting and demanding justice. Internet services have been restored in Murshidabad. Murshidabad in West Bengal has been one of the worst affected areas where massive riots took place. My colleague Suryagini Roy is now joining me on the story. Suryagini, we did see how the NCW team finally reached Murshidabad. High drama playing out on the streets in Murshidabad.
Well, Aishwarya, we had seen similar sights yesterday as well when the team had arrived at the Bush-Nagar camp in Malda, where many women, they got extremely emotional. They were sharing their grievances with the team, and following which, when the governor arrived, we had seen similar sights as well. The NCW team, they are speaking to many people, many victims over there in Murshidabad, and in a short while from now, it's also important that the governor, who's here at Malda, he will be, making his way towards Shamsherganj and will be meeting, various people who have been affected by violence. Back to you.
Suryagini, if you can tell us what exactly was the conversation between the NCW team and the women, because we understand the NCW chief Vijaya Rahatkar spoke with a lot of women. The women, in fact, are now out on the streets demanding justice.
See, most of the women, they are of the opinion that there should be a BSF camp or a permanent police posting in their area, because that is the demand that has been there for a long time by these people who have been outside their houses. What they claim is that they want protection. Ones who had left, we spoke to them yesterday as well, and all of the people whom we were speaking to, all of them, irrespective of their age, of their, of which part they fled from, they say that they want a permanent police or BSF posting in Dhulian, and that's going to help. That will, help them, stay over there, because they have a lot of, fright and tension in their minds, thinking that, if they return and if something of what had happened last week repeats, what is it that these people will do? So that's the reason why their grievances mostly hold that for the protection of their houses, their lives, and the lives of their families. Aishwarya, a permanent police posting should be done over there, be it central police or be it state police. Back to you.
Right, so we are seeing in the visuals there that the NCW chief Vijaya Rahatkar telling the women who are out there on the streets that they will make sure that compensation is given. With regards to safety, you have also been to a lot of places where a lot of people are now saying that their homes were burned down. Suryagini, do you believe law and order situation in the state of West Bengal will be under control in days to come? The state government has been saying that they are doing the best that they can to contain the situation.
See, Aishwarya, there has been a lot of allegations and counter allegations in this in any incident that we have seen. Even in this one, there is a section, especially the opposition, the BJP, who claim that the law and order is not, it's not really working. And on the other hand, you have the government who are producing, who are stating that, see, this incident happened, but we have arrested 250 plus people. We have even arrested the three persons who were involved in the killing of Haragobindo Das and Chandan Das, the two people who lost their lives. Now, amidst all of this, what is more important is, that as the High Court's order also states, that the rehabilitation of the people have to be done, and that has to be done by the state government, and it has to be done in real time. So that is the major point that is coming out of everything that is happening in and around this particular incident, amidst, as we were talking about the massive allegation and counter allegations of law and order's condition in the state. Back to you.
Thank you, Surakini, my colleague, for giving us those details. Let's now listen in to what the NCW chief spoke with the women who are out there and seeking justice. NCW chief Vijay Rahatkar had a long conversation with the women who are out on the streets in Murshidabad demanding justice now.
फिलहाल इसी को ही देख रहे हैं, इन लोगों को समझ पा रहे हैं, उनका दर्द दुख हम समझ पा रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि अभी भी समय नहीं है बात करने का।
आर्मी को नहीं छोड़ा,
किसी को भी नहीं छोड़ा है, बहुत तकलीफ की बात है। फिलहाल इसी को ही देख रहे हैं, इन लोगों को समझ पा रहे हैं, उनका दर्द दुख हम समझ पा रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि अभी भी समय नहीं है बात करने का।
आर्मी को नहीं छोड़ा,
किसी को भी नहीं छोड़ा है, बहुत तकलीफ की बात है।